Hey YouTube. Okay, I'm going to make a quick video, and what I want to discuss is how to prepare to file your taxes if you're in a gig economy and you receive a 1099 NEC. So basically, one of the most important things that you have to do is really get your records in order before you sign into any software, hand off your information to anybody to do your taxes. Please have records. Record keeping is important, especially in this time of the gig economy where a lot of people are working for themselves, whether you establish your own business or you work for Uber or drive for Uber, Lyft, or any of those major platforms. You get a 1099 NEC. Now, if you work 1099, self-employed, and that's your main source of income, you want to start establishing an account that you could register on irs.gov and open up an account so you could pay your estimated taxes. Those are quarterly estimated taxes. Now, I hear a lot of people, give these assumptions about, oh, set aside 20, 30%. No, you can go to the irs.gov website, go to type in estimated tax withholdings calculator. And when you put up, or you could even use an app. I use Stride. If you go to Stride, they also will allow you to keep track of your expenses, keep track of your miles, and everything else. You could do it all by yourself. You don't need to make things complicated, because let me tell you, while I'm here working, I see people make things more complicated than what it is. You do not also need to establish an LLC if you're doing a 1099 NEC for Uber, Lyft, Grubhub. A lot of people are being told on these YouTube streets about, oh, do an LLC. You don't need to do all of that. If you are an independent contractor and you work 1 gig, 5 gigs, you are an independent contractor, and all you need to do is file your tax return with your social security number. You don't need to say, oh, you could get a better write-off with an LLC. So a lot of people that I hear on YouTube are telling people all these incorrect information. Now, if you started your own business, you want to make sure that whatever type of business that you do, especially if it deals with healthcare or something where you require to get some type of license, you have to be registered with your state when you operate a business on your own. Because a lot of people get into trouble by going to YouTube University and listening to these so-called gurus who call themselves gig economists, telling people all this, I got many businesses, and giving them wrong information. Don't make it simple, don't make it hard, don't make it difficult. All you need to do is simply keep track of your records throughout the year. Keep track of your miles. Keep track of expenses, even if you have to put the receipts in an envelope. When you go to the gas station, you write the date. It has the date on the gas receipts. Keep track of that. Use an app that keeps track of things like that. There's an app. Some are free. Stride is one. They give you a lot of valuable information. It keeps track of your mileage and your receipts and expenses. So anyway, I just want to come on here and just make a quick video while I finish the last part of my shift. And I'll be back tomorrow, or I may do another video. So y'all have a good one. Talk to you later.